Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 1797 suction cup mount for the Starlink Mini. A portable mounting solution designed to give you reliable satellite internet on the go. Whether you're traveling in your car, RV, or even taking your Starlink Mini out on a boat. This mount promises a secure and stable setup without the need for permanent installation. The first thing that stands out about this mount is its design. Constructed from rust-resistant carbon steel, it's built to last, providing solid support for your Starlink Mini. The mount also features soft flocked inner pads that not only prevent scratches, but also help reduce vibrations and noise, giving you a smooth and worry-free experience while on the road. The combination of metal durability and protective padding makes it ideal for frequent use, even under bumpy driving conditions. Setting up the 1797 suction cup mount is straightforward. All you need is a smooth surface like a car sunroof, window, windshield, or even a boat deck. Start by cleaning the surface, adjust the mount to the desired angle, and press down the suction lock. The strong suction ensures your Starlink Mini stays firmly in place through sudden stops and daily driving. When you need to reposition or remove the mount, a simple pinch of the tab releases the suction without leaving any marks behind, making it highly convenient for temporary setups. Flexibility is another key feature here. The adjustable bracket allows you to fine-tune the angle of your Starlink Mini to optimize signal reception, which is essential for maintaining a steady internet connection. The package also includes 2 extra suction cups, so you have backups in case you want to set up multiple locations or replace a worn cup over time. In terms of portability, the mount is compact and lightweight, measuring just 5.9 by 3.1 by 2.2 inches and weighing only 6.4 ounces. It's easy to store when not in use and doesn't take up much space in your vehicle or travel kit. Whether you're on a road trip, camping in a remote location, or sailing, this mount ensures you can quickly establish a reliable Starlink Mini setup without complicated tools or permanent fixtures. The 1797 suction cup mount combines convenience, durability, and adaptability into one package. Its sturdy carbon steel frame, anti-slip flocked pads, and easy-to-use suction system make it a dependable choice for anyone looking to stay connected while on the move. With its adjustable design and extra suction cups, it provides flexibility for various mounting surfaces and angles, ensuring your Starlink Mini performs optimally wherever you go. If you travel frequently or need a mobile solution for your Starlink Mini, this mount offers a practical, reliable, and portable option. That's it for our review of the 1797 suction cup mount for Starlink Mini. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more detailed product critiques right here on Product Critique.